Hey everyone, it's Anna from For Real. Are you tired of strapping that bulky phone to your arm for every run just to track your route? What if you could get accurate GPS tracking right from your wrist? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the built-in GPS on your Fitbit Charge 6 so you can finally run free. If you're like me, you bought the Charge 6 for its amazing features, but you might not realize that out of the box, it often relies on your phone's GPS. This can be a pain. Your phone is heavy, the connection can drop, and frankly, it's just one more thing to worry about, but there's a simple setting that changes everything. By enabling the tracker's own GPS, you get more accurate, consistent tracking for outdoor activities like running, hiking, or cycling without needing your phone anywhere nearby. The one major thing to keep in mind, and we'll talk more about this later, is battery life. Using the built-in GPS uses more power, but for most people, the trade-off is absolutely worth it. And here's a fun fact for you. The GPS system, or Global Positioning System, was originally developed by the U.S. Department of Defense in the 1970s and was exclusively for military use. It wasn't until the year 2000 that the high-accuracy signal was made available for civilian use. Now, that same powerful technology is sitting right here on our wrists. Pretty incredible, right? All right, let's get into the step-by-step. Okay, step one is getting to the settings menu. It's super simple. Wake up your Charge 6 so you're on your main clock face. Now, from the very top of the screen, swipe down. You'll see some quick access icons. We need to go past these. Swipe down one more time and you'll see more options. Keep swiping down until you see a blue gear icon with the word Settings underneath. That's our target. Go ahead and tap on it. Great, you're now in the main settings menu. Here you can control things like your display and vibrations. For our task, we need to find the GPS settings. From this screen, you'll want to swipe up from the bottom. You'll scroll through a few options. Keep swiping up until you see the word GPS. It should be pretty easy to spot. Once you see it, tap on GPS to enter the next menu. And hey, if you're already excited about ditching your phone on your next run, do me a quick favor and tap that like button. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more tutorials like this. Okay, now back to the tutorial. This is the final and most important step. You're now on the GPS settings screen. By default, it might be set to dynamic or phone. We want to change that. To cycle through the options, simply tap anywhere on the screen. Tap it until the top line says GPS and the line below it says built-in. You'll also see a small warning that says impacts battery. That's Fitbit's way of reminding you that this feature is powerful and uses more energy. Once you see built-in selected, you're done. There's no save button. It's active immediately. You've successfully enabled your Fitbit's own GPS. Now that it's on, let's talk about getting the most out of it. First, battery life. Fitbit says you'll get about 5 hours of continuous GPS use. So if you're planning a long hike or a marathon, make sure you start with a full charge. For everyday runs, you'll be perfectly fine. Just be prepared to charge it a bit more often. My pro tip for the best Fitbit accuracy is this. When you start an outdoor workout, give the device about 15 to 30 seconds to lock onto the satellites before you start moving. Go outside, start the run exercise on your tracker, and wait until the connecting message at the top disappears. This ensures your starting point is accurate and your entire route is tracked perfectly. And that's it. In just 3 simple steps, you've unleashed the full power of your Fitbit Charge 6. No more dealing with a bulky phone on your workouts. You now know exactly how to enable the built-in GPS, manage the battery expectations, and get the most accurate tracking possible. If this tutorial was helpful, hitting that subscribe button is the best way to support the channel and get more fitness tech tips from For Real. And I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what other Fitbit features you'd like me to cover. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the trail.